If you're looking to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes or add custom thumbnails to your channel, then you'll need to verify your YouTube account. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that in a few easy steps. To get started, first open up any browser that you like and then go to youtube.com and then log into your YouTube channel. After that, click on your channel icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then, from this menu, click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in the YouTube Studio, click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen. And then click on the channel. So what you want to do next is click on Feature Eligibility. So, as you can see, by default, the standard features are already enabled, such as the ability to upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators to playlists, and add new videos to existing playlists. You can do any of those things as long as you have 0 community guideline strikes. So over here in the intermediate features, this is where you want to verify your phone number in order to get the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, live stream, appeal content ID claims, and most importantly, add custom thumbnails to your videos. So if you want to enable the intermediate features on your YouTube channel, click on Verify Phone Number. So when you are on this page, select your country and then type in your phone number and then click on Get Code. Once you receive that code to your phone number, type it in here and click Submit. After you verify your phone number, the intermediate features will be enabled on your YouTube channel. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.